Hello everyone, good evening. Hope you are around getting ready for the start of the week.
Monday's coming, yay!
Yeah, you're welcome
Which
for that
for
reminder.
us, like every day after check-in is kind of a Monday anyway. So it's like we have perpetual Mondays every 3 days, which is lovely.
Pretty much.
So.
We never know what day of the week it is.
Really
So,
don't.
we do actually know today is Sunday. We went shopping this afternoon for some Disney-bound clothing items. For those of you that don't know, Disney-bound is kind of an Instagram thing.
I didn't know either until she told me, so you're not alone.
Yes, but we've had several people ask if we're going to do one, so I thought, why not? Disney bounding is when you dress up with just normal clothing inspired by a Disney character.
Right, because you can't wear costumes unless you are under 12, I think it is, in the parks. So you can't wear costumes in the parks as an adult, except for during Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. But you can get around that by Disney bounding, which is like inspired by outfits, not actual costumes.
So keep an eye out because we will be doing some of those
about some fun
this
stuff
month. So hopefully you enjoy them. I don't know if y'all will or not, but we thought they'd be fun, and we've had people asking, so we thought, why not?
Yeah, we'll give it a shot.
We are at a standard room at Caribbean Beach tonight. And
so our view is the view of like the garden area, I guess. It's kind of garden thing. There is a laundry room there, and then a pool over that way too. So we're over here in Aruba, the Aruba buildings. Yes, every time we're here, I want to sing the song going around the different buildings.
Yeah, it's pretty great actually.
But we're in Aruba, and we've got one of the standard rooms. And they did tell us this time when we checked in, they had one of the king beds available, which is unusual. Most resorts have around 10% of their inventory are going to be king beds. So it's not common to have those available, especially in like a standard view, but they did, which is super exciting. So we get to have a king bed, which for us is great, especially with all the suitcases we have, because it gives you a lot more floor space. So we're happy about that and excited to see that.
And we did find one place that has a hidden Mickey.
One hidden Mickey in here. So let's show them the room. And I'll get this guy flipped around. All right, let's go check out the room. So these rooms, in case you did not know, were remodeled recently. They were finished last year. They worked on these for quite some time. And these rooms have all been completely remodeled. Now, they do not have some of the features that the other remodeled rooms have recently, such as hard floors and an elevated bed with room for storage underneath. We found that quite unfortunate because we like having places for storage. But it's definitely a Caribbean kind of vibe in here. Everything's got like the wood and the straw look to it. In fact, our little coat hanger over here has some of the straw, which is actually it's just hard plastic. There's nothing in there. And then by the door, it looks like they're kind of covering a window, but once again, it's just this hard like stuff that they put on there. It looks like you're in kind of a hut or something. It's kind of cool. I don't know. It's not quite the Polynesian style. It's definitely a Caribbean inspired thing. Fun little Easter egg that Alyssa found walking through the room. The table is being held up by a pineapple. So those of you who like pineapples or who like Psych, which is not a Disney show, but we don't care, the pineapple is a really fun Easter egg. So we love the pineapple thing there. And then the king bed with a pretty awesome headboard. Try to get this lighting to adjust. There we go. And the headboard is carved wood. It's this kind of crazy looking shapes and stuff. Don't know what all that is, but it's pretty, and we love the lights in here. We're not sure if they're supposed to be arrowheads or if they're just some kind of little shapes, but they're really pretty. And they have all the little colored gemstones in there that kind of light up, so it's really pretty. This bathroom does have doors, which is awesome. They've got the dual sliding barn doors going on there. I guess they're not really barn doors. They're kind of like hut doors because of the material they use. But sliding doors on the bathroom and a double vanity. Something we always love seeing. Double vanity with counter space because we have room to spread out. Yeah, the sinks were kind of
right here. You guys ready for this?
So it's not your typical sink that has like the aerator and everything. So it's more like one of those old-timey spouts where the water comes out. It's kind of cool.
It's kind of fun.
And of course the cabinet here has all the different kind of styling to it. And then in the bathroom there is a tub and a shower, a little shower head up there. And the curtain is where we actually found the only hidden Mickey in this room. So there's this huge kind of
feather hat,
feather
I think is what that
thing,
is
plant.
supposed to be.
Not really sure what it is. But when you come all the way down here, there's a little gemstone thing at the bottom with hidden Mickeys on it. So those are the hidden Mickeys here in the room at Caribbean Beach. Best we can tell, that is the only Mickey Mouse hiding around in this room. We checked out like this picture over here. Thought, okay, there's no Mickeys in the shapes. Maybe they're like hiding in the little paint drops and stuff. But so far we couldn't find any. So we'll keep looking throughout the next couple days, but I'm pretty sure that one is the only one. So we are done with this room. Now tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock.
9 a.m. Eastern.
9 o'clock Eastern time, we will be at Magic Kingdom. They have a new tour they just started a couple days ago, or maybe a couple weeks ago. The VIP Magic Kingdom food tour. And I love food. So I heard the name and said, I don't care what it is, we're doing it because food. So we're going over and doing the food tour at Magic Kingdom. We should be done around noon. So keep an eye out on our page here and in our story as well. And then if you follow us on Instagram, we'll be posting a lot more in our story over there, as well as like a recap post when we're done with the food tour. So giving you the details and all that stuff. We're excited about it. I heard Dole Whip was involved, and that got me pretty excited. So
yeah, so we're looking forward to sharing that with you guys. Maybe doing a recap, but of course pictures.
yes,
We all love food pictures.
yes, we do.
So.
And Megan said, can you guys go to Animal Kingdom Villas? Megan, there are 2 buildings in Animal Kingdom Lodge. There's Kidani Village and Jambo House. Both have villas. We have stayed in the 3-bedroom Grand Villa at Kidani Village, at Kidani. So if you go over and look on our page from January, we have the 3-bedroom there, and then we've got a studio over at Jambo House coming up at the end of this month, like the 30th, I think, or 31st. So keep an eye out for that, and then we'll have some more from those places like later in the year, I think, is when we got those booked. And I do believe the food tour is still going in July. I would definitely check the Disney website. I can throw a link in the comments to the food tour, but pretty sure it's a permanent
It just started.
thing. Yeah.
It started a week ago, but it only runs for 2 to 3 days a week. So
like
we are actually
Monday-
in the 3rd tour
It's
they're
like
doing.
Monday, Saturday, and Friday or something like that. It's odd days, but yeah. So we're gonna do that tomorrow morning. Keep an eye on our page, and until next time, we're here with the ears. Bye.